Hello and welcome to Financeable on how to log in into Optum Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser of your choice, and after that you just need to go to the top of the web browser. There is an search bar, and just click on the search bar and type Optum Finance login. Just click on the keyboard after that, and on the second option of the search result there is sign in or register to Optum. So you just have to click on the second search result and it will take you to the interface, and you just have to scroll down a little bit and there is an Optum Financial option. So here are options for sign in or register. If you haven't registered, you just need to go and click on the register, and you need to follow the instruction provided to you by Optum, and after that you will be redirected to the sign in portal. So after that you just need to click on the sign in button and it will take you to the sign in portal. You just have to wait for a few seconds depending on internet connection to open the sign in portal successfully. And when this portal or form is shown to you, you just need to scroll down a little bit to see all the screen, and you just need to enter the username here. You just need to enter the password in the password box. After that you just need to click on the sign in button and you will be able to sign in successfully. And if you have forgotten a username or password, on the bottom there is an choice or an option to use forgot username or password. You can just click on any one of them and they will help you to retrieve the specific thing that you have forgotten. And when you have retrieved it, you just need to again enter the username and password and click on the sign in button, and you will be able to sign in successfully into Optum Finance account. So this is how you can easily sign in into Optum Finance account or log in into Optum Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.